Hey everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. I was asked about the inner workings of the M&P FPC. So here it is. This is the internals, the receiver. I have probably 2,000, maybe 2,500 rounds to this one. Here's the upper receiver piece. A couple of things you need to be careful with. This whole tube here actually comes off of this upper frame piece, because this piece of metal here that guides your bolt does come off, and it seats in a little recessed area on that upper receiver plastic piece. But this is basically your internals here. Fairly easy. It was fairly clean for 2,500 rounds. And then come over here is the barrel. You can see this piece here, I just left it there so I know which piece came off at each side. There's two of them, one here, one here. And again, there's your upper receiver. Turn it up, just like that. This piece does come off. I've already kind of cleaned it up a little bit, put that on there so I don't lose anything. But one other thing you need to be extremely careful with is this little piece right there. That little hole, there's a spring inside, here it is. There's a spring right here on that other bolt. That little upper nub right there has to go inside this hole. But a little bit later, I'll do a video because I'm waiting on a part to come in and an accessory. Then I'll do a video putting this all back together so you guys can see it. It's fairly easy to take apart. I took apart these two bolts first, slid the barrel out. You take out the buffer, you take out the bolt, and then these 6 bolts here come out real easy. These bolts right here, screws, whatever you want to call them, here it is, are a T9. Not a T10, a T9. But I am going to call Smith & Wesson today on my way to work and get the specs of what inch pounds to torque them to, as well as the front pieces. But there you go. It's a fairly simple. Kind of want to show you the trigger housing inside there. I know it's hard to see, but the trigger there looks much like maybe the M&P, but I really can't tell, to be honest with you. I'm sure it is different. But there's the backs. Let me turn this thing around so you can see everything. There you go. There's the internals to the M&P FPC. And as soon as I get this part in today's mail, I'll do a video putting this all completely back together so you can see it. If you have any questions, post them below. Take care. Bye.